Which foods support joint recovery? Joint pain and discomfort can make everyday activities challenging. For those recovering from joint injuries or managing joint conditions, eating the right foods can make a big difference in speeding up recovery and reducing pain. Certain foods have natural properties that help reduce inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and strengthen the tissues around the joints. By including these foods in your diet, you can support your joints in a natural way. In this video, we'll look at some of the best foods for joint recovery, why they work, and how they can help you feel better. 1. Fatty fish, omega-3. Power for reducing inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce joint swelling and stiffness, making it easier to move without pain. These fats also protect cartilage, the flexible tissue around joints, from breaking down. If you don't eat fish, try plant-based omega-3 sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts, which also offer inflammation-fighting benefits. 2. Green vegetables, antioxidant boost for joint healing. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and collard greens, are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the joints from damage. These greens contain vitamins C, E, and K, all of which contribute to joint health by supporting tissue repair and reducing inflammation. Vitamin C in particular is essential for producing collagen, a key protein that keeps cartilage strong. Adding a side of greens to meals or blending them into smoothies can be an easy and effective way to promote joint recovery. 3. Berries, nature's anti-inflammatory snack. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are a source of antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce inflammation around the joints. These colorful fruits contain compounds called anthocyanins, which not only give them their bright colors, but also help reduce pain and swelling in the joints. Plus, berries are high in fiber and low in sugar, making them a perfect snack for joint recovery. Try adding them to yogurt or oatmeal for a tasty anti-inflammatory boost. 4. Nuts and seeds, healthy fats and minerals for stronger joints. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of omega-3 fats and antioxidants that protect and nourish the joints. These foods also contain magnesium, which helps keep bones strong and prevents muscle cramps around joints. Magnesium relaxes muscles and supports blood flow, helping nutrients reach the joints more effectively. Just a handful of nuts or seeds each day can provide valuable nutrients for joint health and recovery. 5. Turmeric and ginger, natural pain relief for sore joints. Both turmeric and ginger have been used for centuries as natural remedies for inflammation and joint pain. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce joint pain and stiffness. Ginger also has similar properties and can relieve discomfort, especially for people with arthritis. Adding turmeric and ginger to soups, teas, or stir-fries is an easy way to incorporate their healing properties into your meals. 6. Bone broth, collagen-rich, support for cartilage repair. Bone broth is rich in collagen and glucosamine, both of which are essential for repairing cartilage and keeping joints healthy. Collagen helps keep cartilage flexible, while glucosamine supports the repair of damaged tissues around the joints. Drinking bone broth or adding it to soups can provide your body with these nutrients to help speed up joint recovery. If bone broth isn't your thing, collagen supplements can also provide similar benefits. 7. Oranges and citrus fruits, vitamin C for collagen production. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is crucial for joint strength and elasticity, as it keeps the tissues around your joints resilient. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation, which can ease joint pain. Adding a serving of citrus fruits to your daily diet, whether in a fruit salad or as a refreshing snack, can help strengthen and protect your joints. 8. Olive oil, heart-healthy fat that soothes joints. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. This healthy fat can help reduce pain and swelling in the joints, making movement more comfortable. Cooking with olive oil or using it in salad dressings can help you gain its benefits, while also supporting overall heart health, making it a win-win choice for joint recovery. 9. Whole grains, fighting inflammation from within. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are rich in fiber, which helps reduce inflammation in the body, including around the joints. Processed grains, on the other hand, can increase inflammation. By choosing whole grains, you're not only supporting better digestion, but also helping your joints heal more effectively. Including whole grains in your diet can be as simple as choosing whole grain bread or making a quinoa salad. 10. Tomatoes, lycopene for reduced swelling. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps fight inflammation. Cooked tomatoes, in particular, release more lycopene, making dishes like tomato sauce or soups great options for joint health. Lycopene can also reduce swelling and stiffness around the joints, making tomatoes a tasty and nutritious addition to a joint-friendly diet. Recovering from joint pain or injury can feel slow, but choosing the right foods can help speed up the process. By focusing on foods that reduce inflammation, support tissue repair, and strengthen cartilage, you can help your body rebuild and protect your joints. Simple changes, like swapping sugary snacks for berries, using olive oil in place of butter, or adding green vegetables to your meals, can make a big difference in how your joints feel. Remember to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have a chronic joint condition or other health concerns. Struggling with joint pain? Click on the next video to learn more. Please subscribe for additional health advice.